This is a 92 Cadillac sedan Deville. If you don't know how to take out or replace the back 6x9 speakers, all right, all you do is this little trim piece right here. Let me see if I can get that bitch up there. It just goes up there like that. If you pop off the little tabs that hold the seat belt, you know what I'm saying? These little tabs right here, it's just one screw. One screw pops it off, right? Bam, one on each side. This comes down, and then this back piece, if you just push up on it in the front, push up on it, get up in here, right? This little thing just pops down inside here, super easy. You can grab a hold of it and just pull it, and it pops right out. This whole thing just slides out. You know what I'm saying? You pull it from the bottom here, pull it up, and then it pulls right out. It's easy. I ain't seen nobody make a video for a 92 Cadillac Deville like these things don't exist. I got one. Easy to do the 6x9s in the back. Look at that. Two bolts. 2 bolts right here. Bam. One on each side. Pops it off. Super easy.